Zoombucks is an online platform where you can earn rewards and cashback for completing various tasks like surveys, watching videos, and even signing up for offers. When you first visit the website, you're greeted by a simple interface that showcases the different ways you can start earning. Signing up is quick, and once you're in, you're presented with multiple tasks to choose from. However, there's a catch. Most of the tasks don't pay much, so earning significant rewards takes time. For example, the surveys can be lengthy, and not all of them are high-paying. You'll also encounter quite a few that you don't qualify for, which is a bit frustrating, especially after spending time filling them out. Watching videos is another option, but they don't usually accumulate points quickly. Zoombucks offers a decent range of options, but you'll need to be patient if you want to earn substantial rewards. One of the more notable features is the ability to redeem your Zoombucks for gift cards or PayPal cash. This flexibility is great for users who prefer different payout methods. However, keep in mind that some rewards may require you to accumulate a significant number of points before you can cash out. The redemption process is straightforward, and while the site isn't a scam, it's important to set expectations accordingly. You won't get rich overnight by using Zoombucks, but it's a reliable platform for earning small rewards in your spare time. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of customer support, Zoombucks does offer assistance through email, but response times can be slow. Some users have reported delayed payments, but for the most part, Zoombucks is reliable when it comes to delivering rewards once you've earned them. The site could improve its overall speed, especially when it comes to processing surveys and videos. But overall, it does what it promises. Overall, Zoombucks is a decent rewards platform, especially if you're looking for a way to passively earn points while doing simple tasks. Just be aware that it might take a while to accumulate enough points for meaningful rewards. If you're okay with this and enjoy completing surveys and other tasks for small payouts, Zoombucks could be a fun side hustle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.